Mountaineers is back!
Eh, alam mo ba yan?
Ay na!
Grabe to, hindi pa ako ayos. Walang maging masaya ulit.
Miles off of you. Was it make-believe or was it a dream? I've been waiting all my life. Feels like I've struck a gold mine. With your hand in mine, our love came alive. We've still got the rest of our lives.
Hi sir! Teka na po. Barangay. Ano yung maximum na weight po ng pagkuporter? Underweight ka ba?
Ano lang, 1 kilo lang.
Oh, the rest of our lives.
Kahit po konti na lang po ang taga-Dambakan na nakasama. Maraming pong salamat at tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang activeness sa iyo. Lord, gabayan niyo po kami sa pag-akyat. Gabayan niyo po yung mga porter na nagpapayos namin. Naway po ng ganito ang mga kakyat. Ganun din po yung binalay mga kababa at lahat po kami.
The sun rose over the valley for the first time in a while. It feels like a new dawn is breaking, and I'm free to laugh like a child. Is this what it feels like to be right where you're meant to be? This is a new beginning.
Hello! Andito na kami sa Mount Kasahingan at 1 hour kami naglakad sa batuhan. Pero may falls na ilog. Falls pa yan! River!
It's like the world resumed turning, like everything's gonna change, and we can stop all the yearning and just exist in today. Is this what it feels like to be right on time? It's a new beginning. Yeah, this is just the start. We won't forget this feeling, but wait for the best part. It's a new beginning. Whoa. A new dawn is breaking. Take a look at the world we're making. I think we're finally waking up. These are the moments we live for, where stars and planets align. And it can't last for forever, but I think the future looks bright.
Hi guys! Andito na kami sa summit ng Mount Kasahingan at dito na kami magla-lunch. Tinatoy, the wonder dog.
The wonder dog.
This is a new beginning. Yeah. This is just the start. We won't forget this feeling, but wait for the best part. This is a new beginning. Yeah, this is just the start. We won't forget this feeling, but wait for the best part. It's a new beginning. Oh, yeah.
na fresh ka ngayon. Naligo ka?
Yes. Ito sa aming mini kubet.
Ayun ba, ayun ba. Improvise. Mayor, hello. Kumusta naman ang tulog?
Lamig, sakto lang.
Okay. Hello, Luis. Kumusta ang experience mo from jump off to campsite?
Okay naman, masaya naman.
Kahit na.
Pagod.
Sa palagay mo ba worth it naman yung pagod?
Worth it lang.
Tawa ng tawa si Dale.
Kasi tinatanong niya ako ulit.
Uulit ka ba? Yan ang tanong. Nang naligo ka, no?
Oo, naligo. Ang sarap ng tubig ko.
Diba? Buti na lang meron tayong water source na malapit.
Fresh
Diba?
nga.
Thank you, Lord.
First na first, parang gusto ko ulit pumunta, tapos balik.
Maraming salamat.
Activities na gagawin nila.
Hard to find what is true. Faded lines. Then there's you. Wildfire hearts spinning like latest art. Brilliant skies. If I don't do it, I just wanna
Ulitin mo.
Side na ako sa Kasahingan, naman ka na.
Oo.
Na December, kung sakaling kaya.
Oo, tapos?
Eh, yung pag-iipunan, sabi ko, walang problema.
Yes.
Pinipigilan niya ako mag-dito this year.
Pwede ka nga mag-ipon.
Luhod na yan. Luluhod na yan.
Oo.
Wala man ako tinigil sa'yo. Ngayon.
Hindi, yung may mga. Hindi ka naman namaos.
When we were young, we burned like summer suns. Our fears at bay, we made our own way, no stopping us. We never knew the sky beyond the blue. We turned the page, our story became a world brand new. You and I, we have found what we've been missing. You and I, it feels like we're finally living. We are wide awake, it's all so clear. The dreams we held are standing here. You and I, we have found what we've been missing.
Wait lang.
Anytime I go, I'm always coming back. Anytime I go, I'm always coming back. I try to bring my heart, but home is where it's at. So anytime I go, I'm always coming back. And anytime I'm up there, I'm always looking down. Anytime I'm up there, I'm always looking down. Trying to find you somewhere high up in the clouds. Anytime I'm up there, I'm always looking down. In the morning, in the night, always right there by your side. Over mountains, over seas, always right there next to me. Anytime I call, I always feel your love. Anytime I call, I always feel your love. Even when the signal is slowly breaking up. Anytime I call, I always feel your love. In the morning, in the night, always right there by your side. Over mountains, over seas, always right there next to me.
Welcome to Mount Kasahingan sa amin!
Welcome to Mount Kasahingan! Team okay ako!
Happy 10th anniversary ng Bagal Mountaineers! Happy 10th anniversary ng Bagal Mountaineers!
Always right there by your side. Over mountains, over seas, always right there next to me.
Hi! Andito kami sa NLEX 20s at tapos na ang aming climb. Ayan! Namimiss ko si Natoy. Sabi, sino si Natoy?
Welcome to Mount Kasahingan sa amin!
Welcome to Mount Kasahingan! Team okay ako!
Eka, ano ba? Ready ka na ba o ano? Ito, kaurong ka dito ng konti. O, sige. O, game na.
Okay ako.
Okay lang ako, sir!
Hindi ka okay.